Hello kids, how are you? This is Shipra with my new DIY activity. But before I tell you what we are going to make, let us just do the lines, the beautiful lines. Let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. And we are going to make a simple flower painting. But you will be shocked to see what I have used to make this painting. Should I tell you? Have you seen something like this in the kitchen? Yes, this is potato masher, or we call it masher also. Yes, kids, so most of you must be having this. This is easily available in our kitchen and we are going to use this as our main tool for the painting. Okay. So what I have taken a black color sheet, a black A4 size sheet, Fevicryl color yellow, orange, and color green. I have taken watercolor, kids. And what we are going to do, we are just simply going to brush this. With the help of our brush and color, we are going to apply color on this and we will do the painting. Along with that, we really need our brushes, the thin brush and the thick brush, and lots of tissue paper to clean the potato masher. Okay, so should we start? Okay, so color and all is definitely your choice. I have taken orange and yellow. So whatever color you like, you can take that, kids. And just take care that you are applying color on a big plate or some other sheet. Otherwise, it will fall on your black sheet. So I have just applied color like this properly. Okay. And then just press it like this. And again, we'll apply little color to it with the same brush. Press it nicely. Okay. And if you feel, you can just look and do little more pressing like this on the one which has not come up nicely. Okay. So this is the orange part we have done. If you want to give shading, you can use directly yellow color to it. Or if you want to wipe it, you can wipe it also. So what I am doing, I am wiping it off, kids. So basically it's your creation. You can do the way you want to do it. Just wipe it nicely from both the sides because there will be color on this side also. Okay. And I will apply my yellow color to it. Okay, I have taken this yellow color and I will be applying nicely again to my So basically this is my tool for today's DIY activity. Apply nicely. Colors, whatever color you want to take, kids, you can take that. Apply, okay. So this is done. Now we basically just need to do the green part of it. So whatever way you want to make the leaves, you can make the leaves. If you are using watercolor, you will be requiring little water for drawing, for the painting. But if you are using Fevigryl, you don't need basically water. You just need water to clean your brushes. And then you can make these stems. And we'll make some leaves also, kids. Or here you can even use your some sketch pens also. So we'll make the leaves and the stem. For this, even if you want to use after coloring, you can use your sketch pens also, kids. And our painting is ready. It is quite simple. You can just use sketch pens if you want to. Otherwise, after you can use brushes also for the stems and leaves. So kids, I hope the instructions were clear. It was quite easy and you could easily follow the instructions. I hope you have liked this simple painting, which is quite easy and quick in making. Yes? So thank you for watching this video. Do share your pictures. Do share your comments. We love your pictures and comments. So thank you from Shipra. We are going to come up again with new DIY activity. Bye-bye.